To fix Doordash not sending text messages, start by checking your phone settings. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection and that you have enabled notifications for the Doordash app. Open your phone settings, go to the Apps section, and select Doordash. Check if the app has permission to send notifications and if notifications are enabled. Next, check your Doordash account settings. Open the Doordash app, go to the Account section, and ensure that your phone number is correctly entered. Verify that you have enabled text message notifications for your account. If you have not enabled text message notifications, toggle the switch to enable them. If you are still not receiving text messages, check if your phone is blocking the messages. Some phones have a feature to block messages from unknown numbers. Check your phone's blocked numbers list to ensure that Doordash's number is not blocked. If it is blocked, unblock the number to start receiving text messages. Another possible reason for not receiving text messages is that Doordash's number is not saved in your phone's contacts. Save Doordash's number in your contacts to ensure that you receive text messages from them. You can find Doordash's number in the app's settings or on their website. If none of the above steps work, try restarting your phone or reinstalling the Doordash app. This will reset the app's settings and may resolve any technical issues that are preventing you from receiving text messages. You can also contact Doordash's customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to fix the problem.